lemongrass. This is from last year.
More beans.
Red, we have red.
Big ones we'll put one, and the small ones we'll put two.
Closer, see, there's now they grow start. So this the one here.
And the roots face up.
Yeah. So only one or two?
One per hole.
Why? I put two before.
No, the big ones we'll put one, and the small ones we'll put
This
two.
closer, see, there's now they grow.
And the roots face up.
Yeah. Maybe put two.
No, not on the big ones. Just one.
We need. Oh wait. Fill up. Fill. One is small, so we're gonna put two
There's one real little one in there.
or three.
No, just that's good. Yeah, roots up.
Yeah. It's close in the hole. It's clear. Wow. Look this guy. Here. So it's like that when you plant potato. Glass in here. Only there.
Yeah, we'll use that one.
Okay, the next one. Oh,
Yeah, we'll use those.
this guy.
Yeah.
There. And two more here. Sorry, potato. I like potato. Okay, the next one.
No, it won't be.
For sure. Alright, that's the last.
Okay, I'll go get some more of the bread.
Ready? This is a white, guys, white potato. So mix together, red and white. This one. This one. Cover now. Oh,
Make it.
where's my mountain?
Yeah.
You're gonna build mountain, guys. Plant potatoes like that, right?
Yeah.
Build a mountain. So now the white potato is covered now. Pero ganit, the red one. So we're gonna plant more in another side. So we have two more leaf bag.
Yeah.
Show my onion. That's my
Yeah,
onion.
when you're done,
My onion is every day. Oh, every day.
come back
Every-
every year.
Every year, yeah. Not every day, but we grow every year. And we sow my
There's the onion.
and lettuce and lemongrass, okra. What else? show the seed. This
Green peas.
then why you call difference? Maybe it's difference green peas. Here's my lemongrass. This is from last year, so I transfer again outside. So when winter time, I bring inside. So now summertime, I bring outside.
These
This
are
is
so tiny.
so tiny. You counted. Oh, maybe I go on other side. I can really see it. It's so tiny. So this is red beans, guys, and this one I can't remember. It's a black seed, but I think it's a regular. That's the one I think. I try open it, but I'm sure. I'm sure there's time. Oh no, that's not. That's white.
More beans.
Wait, we have red. Yellow. I put one more white, a pink, one more yellow. So green beans. Do we need churro?
Sure.
We're gonna be lots of beans. Yes, we need a yellow. Oh, this one is a yellow. Then look, this is seed. This is different kind. What? That's different kind of seed. Right? Brown?
Time to cover up.
Yeah. Then you're gonna need more water.